How to go through challenging times and get the best possible outcome. Now, we all are getting through tough times right now, and whether we are going through challenging times in our relationships, in our business, whether we are going through hard times financially, physically, mentally, or emotionally, we all want to get through and get the best possible outcome, right? But have you deeply thought about it already? How to push through tough times and do get the best possible outcome? How to even use these tough times as a gift to finally do get the best possible outcome? Now, my intention of this video is to reveal answers to those questions, but not answers that I will give to you, because it wouldn't be your answers. In this video, I want to help you finding your answers to those questions to get the best possible outcome for you and everyone around you. I want you to get what you truly need, but I've experienced myself that therefore we might have to dig deeper than what we are conditioned to think we want. Are you ready to dive deep into the rabbit hole with me? Now, we all make mistakes sooner or later, and we might feel guilty or ashamed about it. Even sometimes so much so that we start wrongly believing that we are not worth it to live the life with the best possible outcome. But the truth is, we are intrinsically good, and we are still untouched and unharmed, beautiful, creative, loving beings underneath our cover of self-protection, distracting coping mechanisms. We are still 100% worth of living our life to the fullest, no matter how deep we started to believe the illusion that we are not. Our intrinsic goodness, our good intentions, our willingness to help others and to do good, our willingness to contribute to society, our intrinsic desire to leave the world a better place for our children, our beautiful feelings of solidarity, our love for one another, our freedom to be and express our authentic, loving selves, all together is our human superpower. But at the same time is our greatest weakness. Do you know why? Because our willingness to help others, to do good, to be loving and caring, to want to leave the world a better place, can all be used against us and be used as a tool to manipulate us in such a blinding way that it can lead to the worst possible outcome without even noticing it. The good news is that we can reconnect with our human loving superpower and at the same time take our unconscious blindfold off to make sure we do get the best possible outcome while navigating through challenging times. Do you know how we can overcome our greatest blindfolding weakness? We can simply do that by stopping with taking over or copying answers from others and by asking and answering deep questions to ourselves instead. And I want to help you with the questions so you can get your own proper clarity and answers that bring you straight to the best possible outcome a lot faster. Also very important to make sure this works in the most efficient way for you, go and sit in a place where you cannot be disturbed, even put ear protection headphones on, to be completely present with the questions so you can actually hear the answers of your soul whispering within you. I will link to my blog post where I have written down the free questions for you, together with free links that might help you. And the questions are designed to get clarity between what we are wrongly conditioned to believe and the actual best possible outcome answered by yourself. Now, if you find it thrilling to stop the daily distractions and to take time to dive deep into your soul to come up with the best possible outcome answer instead, I will also add a link to free tools that will get you past any stress or fear, so you will get your clarity in answers to your questions, so you can get the best possible outcome for you and the people around you while going through these challenging times. Now feel free to like this video and to share this video with your loved ones, and click here so you can start reading and answering the liberating, empowering questions to yourselves. And thank you for joining the journey towards the best possible outcome for the beautiful human loving superpower we all are.